Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Philips 5400 LatteGo Renewed and the Jura E6. Big price difference right off the bat, with the Philips around $799 and the Jura clocking in at $1,699.
Yeah, massive difference. Is the Jura really worth double the price? What's it got that the Philips doesn't?
Well, the Jura has a slightly better rating, 4.4 stars compared to the Philips, 4.1, and it seems like it's generally considered a higher-end machine. The Jura also has a professional aroma grinder, which they claim grinds 12.2% more aroma.
Okay, fancy grinder. The Philips uses ceramic grinders, and they're saying they're good for 20,000 cups. That's pretty durable, isn't it?
Definitely, and the Philips has 12 grinder settings, so you can really dial in your grind. The Jura probably has similar adjustability, but it doesn't specify the number of steps. Philips also make 12 different drinks ready to go.
Right, the Philips also boasts about its LatteGo system being super easy to clean, just 2 parts, and dishwasher safe. What about the Jura's milk frothing system?
They don't really highlight the cleaning process as much, which makes me think it might be a little more involved. The Jura does have integrated maintenance programs which could automate some of the cleaning, but the Philips has an AquaClean filter too.
That's a good point. What about customization? Can you tweak the settings on both?
Both have programmable coffee strength, volume, and temperature. The Jura even lets you adjust the amount of milk foam and hot water. Philips also lets you adjust aroma and volume with the coffee customizer. It even has an extra shot function.
So the Jura seems to have a slight edge in customization and maybe coffee quality with that fancy grinder. But the Philips is significantly cheaper and seems easier to maintain. And it's quite a bit lighter, 18.58 pounds versus the Jura's 22 pounds.
Exactly. It really comes down to budget and how much you value that extra level of customization and potential coffee quality. If you want a reliable machine that's easy to use and clean, the Philips is a great option. If you're a serious coffee aficionado and willing to spend more, the Jura might be worth considering. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.